To disable Talkback in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, as you can see right here, I don't have a Talkback on. It's very annoying to record video with it. It keeps talking over me, and that's why I have it disabled, but I will show you how to disable it anyways. So we're gonna go to the settings first, then scroll all the way down and look for the accessibility. Open it, and inside you'll be able to select the Talkback, and then there's the option to turn it off. So now we're gonna turn it on just for a brief moment.
Finished. Allow Talkback. Allow Talkback. Navigate up. Button.
So yes, the thing is that you need to keep pressing on the buttons twice to actually disable it. So each time you're gonna press on something, just try to press it double time. That way you'll be able to enter and disable this option like that.
Talkback. Turn off Talkback. Turn off Talkback off.
And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.